Good morning. I'm Xavier De La Torre, Superintendent of Schools in the Ysleta Independent School District, and I want to make you aware of a statewide campaign called #BeTheLight. Under the auspices of this campaign, we've launched our own campaign, Hope for 2020. At 2020 military time every evening, each of the comprehensive high schools will turn on the stadium lights and use their video scoreboards to highlight some of the achievements and accomplishments of students, teams, and other events that have helped define the class of 2020. The lights symbolize that even in the darkest times, there is light. There will be a light at the end of the tunnel. We will get through it. And although we understand that it's interrupted, disrupted, and ruptured, a time when students are supposed to be celebrating their achievements and accomplishments, they are not forgotten. Thank you. Have a great day.